Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Messages and going straight to the conversation where you use the sticker. This puts the sticker in context. Once there, tap the App Store icon next to the text field to reveal the app drawer and sticker packs. This is faster than hunting in settings. Make sure to locate the custom pack you made. Tap it so you see individual stickers. This first action sets up the rest because deletion options appear when the right pack is selected. Now, long press the sticker thumbnail inside the pack to bring up options. This is the key gesture. Once the menu appears, select Delete, Remove, or Edit. Different sticker creators label it differently, so read the option before tapping. When you confirm deletion, iOS removes that sticker instance from the pack and prevents it from showing in the drawer. If you used a third-party sticker app, open the app itself and delete from its library. Once done, return to Messages and refresh the drawer. Finish by refreshing the Messages app. Swipe up to force close or restart your iPhone. This ensures the sticker list updates. If a sticker still appears, open the Files or the Sticker Creator app and fully remove the asset or uninstall the sticker app to clear all its packs. Make sure to check frequently used stickers in the keyboard. Remove entries there if present. If all else fails, reboot the iPhone. That often clears cached sticker data and resolves sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.